Hey Charlie, how's it going? This is Cisco from Amplified. I talked to Allison this morning and we were able to talk about how I was going to send over this email with the free website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Looking at your website, you got a good looking website. Some of the things that I look for is your content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And do they have keywords in that content? The reason why is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Super important. The reason why is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for. Now, looking right away, these photos here, do those photos, are they optimized? Do they have meta tag, meta descriptions? That's super important because that helps you rank higher on Google and what terms you want to be found for. So let's go over to this tab here. This tab is called Ahrefs. This helps you understand how well your website is performing. So let's jump right to it. So this section here is this is your strength or your authority, and you're currently being indexed at 22. This is your trust or your trustworthy score, and you're being indexed at 24, which is really good. The goal at that point is to continue climbing with those scores. You currently have over 3,000 backlinks with 558 referring domains, which is great. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, though, they act like an endorsement for your website, okay, and it builds trust with Google. Now, not all links, though, are created equal. Okay, it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks to your industry. Now, or actually, sorry, to your website within your industry. For example, if you were to get a backlink from, let's say, Pizza Hut, they're not in the HVAC or the air conditioning business, right? That type of backlink would hinder your scores. Now, let's go over to this section, which is the last one I want to go over. These are your organic keywords that you're currently ranking for, and you're ranking for quite a bit. But what I'm looking for is, are you ranking for specifically right here? This is what I'm looking for. Water heater repair Orlando. The reason why is because these are considered buyer intent keywords. Folks that search for this are more likely going to call you and be qualified clients, meaning that they want your services. So this is super important. For this keyword, 100 people are searching for this every single month, which is not bad. Now let's go see what your competition is doing, okay? So I'm just taking these guys, Frank Guys Services. The reason why I'm taking these guys is because of the keywords that they're currently ranking for. So let's go over here. Once again, Ahrefs. Look at what they're ranking for. So Orlando air conditioning repair. This is huge because 450 people are searching for this every single month. Orlando air conditioning repair, 400. So now you're looking at 850 people. Another 300 and so forth. Does that make sense? So if you were to add those up, imagine how much clients would be knocking on your door for service. This is going to help increase your business. Now, let's just take Orlando air conditioning repair, for example, and let's type it into Google. This is what happens, okay? So let's take it section by section. For one, this is the Google guarantee section or the Google ads section. Okay, so this is what people are paying to be on the front pages. But every time you click on there, they get charged a dollar amount. This section is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page or the GMB. The reason why it's my favorite is because 30 to 40% of calls come from this area. Now, to increase your rankings is one, you need to get some reviews, reply to those reviews. Is your content optimized? Is your photos optimized, which is super important because that helps with engagement. And then lastly, are you updating your customers as to what's going on with your business? You got new equipment and so forth. The last thing I want to go over is the organic listings. If we look at here, we got Frank Gay Services, and then we got Del Air. These guys are ranking. Okay, they're currently ranking, and that's because of the fact that they're doing work and they're doing SEO work. Anyhow, so those are just some of the tips that I really want to share with you, Charlie. If you have any questions or have more concerns, or just you want to talk about what we can do to help you and help guide your company so they can be ranked for those buyer intent keywords, please let me know. Shoot me an email. Give me a call. We can definitely dive into those things. What I do ask is just to give me some feedback on the video. Want to hear your thoughts or anything that you feel that we can talk about. Anyhow, Charlie, thank you so much and have a great day.